Bar hanging exercises have undergone a transformation thanks to variations like the active arch hang and the Gironda pull-up, which have revolutionized shoulder health and back strength. These movements not only enhance mobility and stability but also provide a comprehensive workout that addresses common postural imbalances. Origins of the active arch hang and Gironda pull-up. The active arch hang is a powerful tool for improving shoulder and scapular function. This technique, sometimes referred to as the perfect hang, gained popularity due to its ability to both prevent and rehabilitate shoulder injuries. Fitness coaches brought attention to this method, recommending its effectiveness in enhancing shoulder health. The Gironda pull-up builds upon the principles of the active arch hang and was popularized by legendary bodybuilder Vince Gironda. Known for his innovative training techniques, Gironda found this pull-up variation to be one of the most complete exercises for developing a strong and aesthetic back. He incorporated it into his own workouts and those of champion bodybuilders, praising its unique ability to target multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Why the active arch hang is so effective. The active arch hang focuses on strengthening the scapular muscles, which play a vital role in stabilizing and controlling the shoulder blades. Improved scapular strength leads to better posture, increased shoulder mobility, and reduced risk of injuries. This movement is particularly effective for addressing rounded shoulders, a common issue caused by prolonged sitting, excessive screen time, or an overemphasis on pressing movements in training. The key to its effectiveness lies in targeting the muscles responsible for scapular control and posture correction, including the lower traps, rhomboids, and rear delts. These muscles are often neglected in traditional training but are crucial for maintaining healthy shoulders. The Gironda pull-up takes the benefits of the active arch hang a step further by incorporating a full range of motion. Unlike traditional pull-ups, where the torso remains more upright, the Gironda pull-up involves a pronounced arch in the back, with the goal of touching the sternum to the bar. This positioning shifts the focus to the upper back, engaging muscles typically targeted by rowing exercises, such as the rhomboids, mid and lower traps, and rear delts, in addition to the lats and biceps. The spinal erectors also play a supportive role, helping to maintain the arched posture. As Gironda himself stated, this pull-up variation offers a nearly complete back workout in a single movement. If you find this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated with our latest fitness tips. Benefits beyond strength and aesthetics. The appeal of the Gironda pull-up goes beyond its muscle-building potential. It's a highly effective prehabilitation and rehabilitation exercise for those with shoulder mobility issues or pain. By strengthening the scapular stabilizers, it helps alleviate discomfort and improves overall shoulder function. Additionally, this exercise is an excellent choice for busy individuals who want to maximize their training efficiency. It combines elements of vertical pulling, horizontal pulling, and postural correction, making it a time-saving option for those juggling work, family, or other responsibilities. Comparing the Gironda pull-up to traditional variations. Hollow pull-up. In the hollow pull-up, the torso remains in a hollowed position, with the ribs pulled down and the core engaged. This variation is excellent for targeting the lats and abdominals, making it ideal for individuals aiming to progress to advanced calisthenics moves like muscle-ups or archer pull-ups. However, it lacks the upper back engagement of the Gironda pull-up and can place additional stress on the serratus anterior, potentially aggravating shoulder issues for those who sit frequently or perform a lot of pressing exercises. Arched pull-up. The arched pull-up introduces a slight curve in the back, bringing the upper body closer to horizontal. This variation begins to engage the lower traps, rear delts, and spinal erectors, making it a more biomechanically sound choice for most individuals. While it doesn't specifically prepare you for muscle-ups, it supports other advanced movements like the front lever. The Gironda pull-up pushes the arched pull-up to its extreme. At the top of the movement, the torso is nearly horizontal, maximizing engagement of the upper back and scapular stabilizers. This makes it an excellent progression for those looking to develop complete back strength and mobility. How to perform the Gironda pull-up. Start in a dead hang. Begin by hanging from a bar with your arms fully extended and your shoulders relaxed. Transition to an active hang. Engage your scapular muscles by pulling your shoulder blades down, but avoid retracting them just yet. Create the arch. Arch your back by lifting your chest and ribs toward the bar. Keep your arms straight as you do this and maintain the downward pull of your shoulder blades. Pull up. While holding the active arch position, pull yourself up, aiming to touch your sternum to the bar. Lower with control. Lower yourself back to the starting position, maintaining the arch throughout. Initially, this movement may feel segmented, but with practice, it will become a smooth, fluid motion. The Gironda pull-up is an advanced exercise that may not be accessible to everyone initially. However, the progressions leading up to it offer similar benefits. Active hang. Develop your ability to hold an active hang for 20 to 30 seconds. Active arch pull. Practice transitioning from the active hang to the active arch hang and back. Low bar progressions. Use a low bar with your feet on the ground for assistance. Focus on engaging your lats and shoulder blades while minimizing leg involvement. Bodyweight rows. Incorporate rows to strengthen the upper back and improve shoulder retraction. Arched pull-ups. Gradually work on the arched pull-up, which serves as an excellent intermediate step. Stretch forearms. Regularly stretch the wrist flexors to prevent elbow tendinitis. Neutral grip. If you have shoulder pain or past injuries, a neutral grip can reduce strain while providing similar benefits. Front lever training. Once you've mastered the active arch hang, consider progressing to the front lever. While it emphasizes shoulder extension and core strength over back hypertrophy, it complements the Gironda pull-up. The Gironda pull-up is a powerhouse exercise that combines vertical pulling, horizontal pulling, rehabilitation, and mobility into one movement. Whether you're looking to build strength, improve posture, or protect your shoulders, this variation offers unparalleled benefits. Thank you for watching. Have you tried the Gironda pull-up or plan to? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more tips and insights on health and fitness, don't forget to subscribe to our channel